Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is your day 2 for the mindfulness challenge, and today is mindful observation day. We have two types of minds. First is conscious mind, second one is subconscious mind. जो भी thinking हम करते हैं, whatever we think through our conscious mind. And whatever we experience, those experiences are stored in our subconscious mind. Okay? Now, what happens is we are playing with our kids, we are sitting with our family, we are doing some work, but we are mentally not present there. That means our conscious mind is somewhere else. It is thinking some other thoughts which are not related to the present. Yes? So क्या होता है? We are not enjoying that moment, we are not living that moment. So वो moments कैसे चले जाते हैं हमें पता ही नहीं चलता है, right? Our life passes by just like that. So today is all about being present in the moment. What you have to do is spare 5 minutes 3 times a day, morning में, afternoon में, night में. Okay? जहाँ पे भी आप हैं, whether you are sitting or standing, just look around and find one object that you can focus on. If you are outside, it could be a tree, it could be a plant, a flower, an insect, an animal, anything. Or if you are at home, it could be a painting, gift, showpiece, कुछ भी आप ले लीजिए. What you need to do is put your complete focus on that object. आपको उसको observe करना है the way you haven't observed that so far. उसकी छोटी से छोटी डिटेल ऑब्जर्व दैट. देखो आप कि वो ऑब्जेक्ट कैसा है, राइट? जस्ट लुक एट दैट. इफ़ यू कैन टच इट, टच दैट एज वेल. इफ़ यू कैन हियर द साउंड ऑफ दैट, जस्ट डू लाइक दिस एंड हियर द साउंड कि वो कैसा साउंड करता है, राइट? Put all your senses, whatever you can, in that object, in that present moment, and put your focus mindfully on that object. Observe that and see what all you find. There would be many things you haven't observed about that thing. है ना? बहुत सारी आपको ऐसी नई चीज़ें मिलेंगी. आप सोचोगे अच्छा ये तो चीज़ मैंने इसमें नोटिस ही नहीं की थी, ये तो चीज़ मैंने इसमें नोटिस ही नहीं की थी, राइट? सो इफ़ यू डू दिस फॉर 3 times, what you will do is you will get into a habit, a pattern to observe the things, the people more. जब आप ये 3 बार कर लोगे ना, आपके सामने कोई भी आएगा, आपके सामने कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट आएगा, आप पानी भी पियोगे तो आप उसको ऑब्जर्व करोगे. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड mindful living. We cannot do meditation all the time. That's why mindfulness helps us to keep the focus intact in the present moment. Yes, conscious living is all about whatever I am doing, why am I doing that? Yes, what am I feeling in the moment? On my special occasions, what I do, I feel those moments. I take a pause and ask myself, मुझे कैसा feel हो रहा है? What am I experiencing? What is this moment all about? And when I take a pause and live that moment, I anchor those feelings inside me so that I can relive those on demand anytime in the future. Right? So आपके जो special occasions होते हैं, especially on those, ask yourself, take a pause and ask yourself, what is this moment all about? What am I experiencing? What am I feeling? And anchor that feeling inside you. Just feel that feeling mindfully. और वो feeling आपके साथ हमेशा रहेगी. Living the moments is all about that. That experience will be stored over here in your subconscious mind. That's how we create good memories, happy memories. Yes? And write this experience in your journal as well. Very important. Yes? Start living more mindful life. That will help you to be present. If अगर आप एक task कर रहे हैं, even if you are doing a task, if you are putting your 100% in that, you are fully present to that task, सबसे पहली चीज़ आपका वो टास्क जल्दी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. सेकेंड थिंग, यू विल बी मोर प्रोडक्टिव. आप उसको बहुत अच्छे से करोगे बिकॉज यू विल बी गिविंग योर 100% फोकस, फुल फोकस इन टू दैट टास्क, right? So mindfulness helps us to increase or improve our productivity as well. It helps us to improve our relationships too. आप अपने बच्चों के साथ है, अपनी फैमिली के साथ है. आजकल क्या होता है, फैमिली के 3 members 4 members बैठे हुए हैं, एवरीबडी इज ऑन देयर ओन सेल फोन. They are not speaking to each other, they are speaking to the world which is there in the social media, virtual world. Yes. So अगर आप उस moment में हो, you are with your family, you are with your kids, you are enjoying that moment, they will also feel that energy from you, and you will be creating some happy memories. Yes, you will be enjoying your life more. So today is your observation day. Observe the objects, the people, or whatever you want to observe that with full focus and see what comes out of that. Share with me in the comment section, please. Yeah. Thank you so much and stay blessed.